Uniqum is a 3D printed concrete company in Germany. With an ABB robotic arm, they've managed to print a huge variety of objects, up to a 1.5-meter radius. They've achieved many even larger objects by combining smaller units flowing together in a parametric design. On this channel, I've been primarily focused on construction automation for housing. Much of the material I've covered revolves around 3D printed concrete for construction. I figure at this point it could be interesting to look into some of the other uses for this technology. Furniture like tables and chairs are simple, along with sculptures and even this electric car charging port. Custom design specifications can often be very difficult for companies to supply. However, this technology makes adjusting any parameters by a few millimeters or more very simple. The G-code mapping technology is capable of printing multiple objects at once by having a print path that isn't obstructed by the prior objects. The 9 vases we see simultaneously printing seem to have a toothpaste material consistency. There's a slight amount of waste between objects because the printer isn't capable of holding in the material. It must continuously pump in order to have flow. It appears as though they're using a Bauminator printhead on their ABB robotic arm. If that's the case, then it's most likely the Baumit material that they're using as well. Based on the multicolored piping going into the printhead, I would assume that they're using a multi-material print that includes an accelerator in the mixture towards the extruder head. This dual material solution makes the material much more buildable so that you can print on an angle and achieve overhangs like the one above. Uniqum offers a wide variety of colors to choose from in their printed objects. I just confirmed on their website they are using a multi-material print with an accelerator. The material contains no polymers nor any fibers, but is still able to print without steel reinforcement. Although this material may look and feel like concrete, it's quite different, so you have to think about it quite differently as well. From my knowledge, this material is considerably more expensive than regular concrete. When evaluating cost per cubic meter, it can be up to 10 times more expensive. However, this advanced solution is able to reduce the total amount of material necessary for a given object and also completely eliminate the need for any formwork or rebar. Some prints we've seen, especially outdoors, have had inconsistent layers. However, because this is done in a closed environment with an expensive material, they're able to achieve extreme consistency, which gives a very appealing aesthetic and almost a satisfying quality. Especially in building construction, many companies choose to cover up the natural layer lines. However, Uniqum generally leaves them exposed and even opts to implement unique patterns that change up the layers from a regular horizontal pattern to a more braided looking structure, like this bathtub basin. They've printed recliner chairs, bar tops, reception desks, and I'm sure they're coming up with more objects to print as we speak. With the capability of printing in any color and any custom shape, logo, or design, this is a particularly appealing technology if you want something made that's going to be a complete one-off with nothing else like it in the world. Comment below what object you would want to see 3D printed. As students and engineers become more familiar with the capabilities of the technology available to them, I think they'll be more interested in pursuing 3D modeling and creative solutions, just like we've seen in the small-scale 3D printing world, where websites like Thingiverse host millions of designs available for free. I doubt concrete printers will ever become a common household object. However, Uniqum will be uniquely prepared to service clients who are looking to get something printed larger in concrete. I would imagine that if you had 3D modeling skills yourself, you could approach Uniqum with a custom design and they would probably be able to build it for you, assuming you took into consideration the supports and the print is physically realistic. I'm quite impressed with some of the prints they've achieved, like this table that's wide at the top with a skinny neck and wide legs. 3D modeling for printed concrete objects is the Wild West right now, and we've barely scratched the surface when it's come to design possibility. Uniqum is exploring uncharted territory every day.